Hey, I'm Danielle Matthews. So, for my question this week, it's kind of different than just like what was talked about in the videos of when you get a job and negotiating your offer and all of that. So, what if you take the route of being self-employed and kind of making your own path and making your own career? So, how would you go about what you need to do for your health care or your retirement planning? Because unlike working for a company, you're not going to be getting a retirement account or having someone put money straight to your health care. Is this something that, if you are going to be married one day, should you be on your spouse's health care? Is it going to cost a lot to pay for your health care? And I guess this just comes from questions about like how much should you invest into your health care at a young age? I know Dr. Altman's class talked about getting life insurance and all those other things that come along with age that you need to do at a younger age. So I feel like these are all things that would be very helpful to know how to do, even if you're self-employed. But when you're self-employed, like what angles should you start to look at it? Should you go with the financial planner route and have them help you lay out a route to plan your retirement and plan how to save money and purchase a home? So I guess this question just kind of encompasses many different ways that it could be taken or looked at. But that's just mainly the main question is when you're self-employed, what way should you go? Would the first step be like to talk with the financial planner to get the expertise that they might have on the topics?